USA has decreased the interest rate and it does change the fund movement. What is the change? What is the insight of the chart? I will tell you the sector and also which market maybe we can look at more. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you to learn more, make more. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. And today I will give you a big picture. Which sector, which market should we look into? Okay. The first thing we start with S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq. First thing I want to check. You can see this free graph. This is daily chart. You will see, okay, both go up, both go down, both up, both down, both up. You thought this is on the same page, but it's not. Okay, it's not on the same page. So basically, if you look carefully, S&P 500 and Dow Jones, they create a higher high than before, right? Than the previous peak. But one thing you need to check is Nasdaq. Nasdaq does not create a higher high. What does it mean? It means the fund has different than before. Before, like the Nasdaq is always ahead, always better than S&P 500, or always better than the return, always better than Dow Jones. It means the fund change the direction. Why? Because Nasdaq have many stock being overbought. Okay, the first thing, the sector has changed. Maybe we can look into more traditional sector or pharmacy or medical or other industry. Okay, so check your sector. The first thing, maybe not focus on the tech anymore. Okay, maybe we switch like less percentage or for the tech company. The first thing. The second thing I want you to check is the market, the whole market. Decrease the interest rate. What is the decrease the interest rate? People will think, oh, the market will go up. Yes, but how much would they go up? How far would they go ahead? Okay, when you're thinking about the institution, you need to think like a professional investor. Okay, now you're not individual. You need to think like professional. You need to check your risk management. When we invest, they think ahead. They think they want to invest somewhere with lower risk. Okay, they're not investing in $10. They're not investing $20. They're investing much more money. So it takes them more time to buy, more time to sell. So it's not one day action. So they want to plan something with lower risk and higher return. So I want you to think about that. Okay. The one thing I want you to check is the monthly chart. You can check RSI. Okay. If you don't have my indicator, check RSI. My indicator is overbought for so. When yellow happen, this is the market peak, especially when they disappear the yellow candle. Okay. You can also check the RSI. One thing is we are RSI high in monthly chart. And you can see every time the USA is going down, the peak is going down, going down, going down, going down. So this is kind of like an alert, like, hey, the price go up, but the investment, the institution is not only focusing in US anymore. They go to other market, maybe the Bitcoin, maybe the gold, maybe the oil, maybe the foreign exchange. You can see those products, basically the price has going up so much. Okay, even foreign exchange, even euro, even pounds. Why? Because interest rate decrease. It means the currency value will also decrease. The money is not flushing in to the USA market anymore. They can go to other market. Okay? Okay? We need to make this very clear. The USA is not the first priority anymore. They can switch to other market with the interest rate. Okay, where the interest rate, it doesn't mean it's cheaper to borrow the money. So there are more money in the investment, more money for crypto, more money for gold, more any money for property, for stock. Yes, but it doesn't mean they will stay in USA because the US dollar will also depreciate. One thing is the currency. Another thing is it overbought, oversold. Okay, now we are in the overbought for monthly chart. This means risk. When the price go higher, they are not just growing the price, they also growing the risk. You need to think about this, okay? So this is one thing. Currency and also the overbought. Okay, so another market. So we have very few market we can look at, like Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong. Okay, so I look. You can also say UK, but I won't consider UK market for the stock market. Okay, I will say I will consider somewhere with very low capital gain tax. So another market, let's say Hong Kong market. What happened is the Hong Kong market monthly chart, we do have the purple candle. What does it mean, purple candle? Purple candle mean oversold, oversold. So Hong Kong have been down since 2018, basically. Down from 2018, and we have been oversold. Okay, so one thing I want to keep in mind, Hong Kong is a very interesting market. When US fights with China, when anything happens, Hong Kong market will go down. Hong Kong market will go down. So we will see, it's quite risky previously before because of political reason, right? When Trump is on or when other presidents is on, Hong Kong is always being fluctuated. One thing. The second thing, right now is a bit different. Politics, I don't want to talk about politics here, but for the oversold, here it means oversold for monthly chart. And it doesn't happen very often. It doesn't happen very often. We don't know if they will create another high than the previous peak, but one thing we can tell you is this is the low of this market. For the valuation, this is very cheap to buy in Hong Kong market. I'm not saying to buy right now. I'm not saying, I'm just telling you the big picture. In this video, we don't recommend any trade, okay? So if we look at S&P 500, it does happen. Also, the purple candle, I would say, let's see, where is our purple candle? Basically, if we make it bigger, basically, is around 2009. We have purple candle. When we have purple candle, when purple candle disappear, and they go above the last purple candle, it is the start of the market. It is the start. You buy anywhere in this candle or even the second candle, you make huge money. This is 2009. Okay, and history always repeat. The market cycle always repeat. This is for sure. So I want you to have a better picture. 2009, which is around here. You can see at that time, you buy around 900, let's say. Now you are at 5,700. Do you like this kind of profit? So I'm telling you, right now, you have the chance. By the way, USA will still go up, but it will be a bit frustrating. Why? Because you don't know when is the yellow disappear, right? If you don't have any indicator or strategy. This is the one thing. Second thing, interest rate go down. It means the economy actually is getting less good than before. Less good than before. So it's not yet to confirm it's recession, but I tell you, now they decrease 0.5. The next one, most likely they either do 25 or 50 points, right? So I guess it's still 50 points. So it will be quite create some kind of frustrating for this market. So you need to be careful. If you buy in US stock, you may start to think about which sector should you buy. Only focus in tech, or you can focus on other things like other industry. The second thing you need to check is the market. You may consider also other market to look, is it oversold? If it's oversold, congratulations, this is the low point, okay? And you need to find a low risk market. Okay, I'm not saying Hong Kong is really safe because we don't know, right? If one day they have a war, if one day the country they do some policy, we don't know. But this moment from the chart, we tell you, hey, it could be a good moment to invest in those kind of market. Okay, and then another thing, in my previous video, I also mentioned August and September. If you don't have any strategy, I told you August, September will be quite fluctuating. And you can see here, August been down, up, down. So it's fluctuating. Basically, if you don't touch the market, or if you touch the market, you won't make much. It will be like break even, kind of break even. Okay, so where should we buy now? What is the market right now? I'm going to tell you right now. So one thing, we look at Club Long from sideways. You can see August, September, this is a sideways. That's why I say, if you don't have my indicator, if you don't know anything about trading, stay away. Okay, I want you to make money, because people get panicked when they hear, they try to sell. When they hear, they try to buy. This is not good. So I want you to make money. I would rather you to buy here and then to get like this. And now maybe we have opportunity soon. Not yet, but soon. Why is that? So if we look at the trend, the blue is going upward. The red is going downward. What does it mean? Blue is the trend line. The blue is the trend line. So the red to tell you the fast trend line, the fast way go down. But the trend line, the regular trend line is going up. It means this is a pullback. This is a pullback. We wait for opportunity to buy back. Okay, so this is one thing you need to bear in mind. In October, we need to buy some stock. Oh, sorry, I don't recommend any stock, but would be good opportunity to buy. So one thing I want you to see is S&P 500. So S&P 500, I want to draw you some line so you have the idea what is going on. So basically we are in this upper trend line, above this upper trend line, and this one is a support. Let's say you don't have my indicator, you need to know how to draw this trend line, okay? So let me hide this. This is a support. This is another support. So so far we stay above. As long as they don't drop below this black line, they will still continue to go up. Continue to go up. Okay. So this black line is quite important. Otherwise, they will go down to have some pullback, correction pullback, and then they continue to go up because the Club Long is still going upward. Okay, is it clear here? So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope this video can help you to have a better picture what to do next. Remember, October is very important for investor or trader. It would be a good opportunity after the pullback to buy in the stock. So click like, subscribe, share with your friend if you like this video. If you want to have my my indicator, basically you can click the link in the description. There you can unsubscribe anytime so far. So another thing I want to see quickly, I forget to tell you, like S&P 500, I want to show you a bit more, give you a bit more value. I don't look at RSI, I look at the YM Big Buy and YM Cheapest, okay? And YM entry. The entry want to tell you the institution come in around here, okay? And this is daily chart. Another thing, the risk, you can see this doesn't tell you much, it's just stay in this level. But one thing is the YM Big Buy, the price go up, but the YM Big Buy, the peak is going lower. Okay, now we under zero. This is not good. This could mean this is a big volume trade. The green is net buy. The red is net sell. So what does it mean? The big volume trade, the volume is less. You can see it's less. So the big volume is switching to other market, or they just stay away from S&P 500. So something you need to bear in mind. I want you to know what is the big shark is doing, okay? And you can see here. You can also draw a trend line here. But one thing is they're kind of like condensing into a triangle. Although the fund getting in is less, but the getting out is also less. So the volume is getting smaller. They're condensing. So they will either break through this way or break through this way. So we see what's next, okay? We trade with the indicator signal. So now we look at S&P 500. Trend is still going upward, but for very short term, it's doing a little bit correction, little bit pullback. If they stay above this blue, they could start continue to go up, or they stay around this trend line. Oh, you see here they have another purple. But by the way, this is daily chart. the effect is different from the monthly chart. The monthly chart, the purple doesn't happen every year. They happen like every 10 years or every 7 years. Okay, it's not always happen. They have this kind of purple thing. Okay, so I want you to have a look for your stock, for your market, have a deep think about, hey, what should we look into? Okay, some people say, oh, I don't have a Hong Kong trading account. What does it mean? I tell you what, some Hong Kong stock, they do list in US market. So check. So for example, Alibaba, for example, PDD, they do list in Hong Kong market. Okay, so have a look and I see you in the next video. If you like this video, give me some encouragement. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Your support means a lot to me. I see you in the next video. Bye.